October 2nd is of great national importance for the country, as on this day two great leaders were born on the Indian soil. Mahatma Gandhi ji, the pioneer of India's freedom struggle, and Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second PM of India. Hello everyone, how are you all? I am here again. I am Kavya Maheshwari. Welcome to my channel Smart Kids. Anav and Kavya. We are getting so much likes and comments. Thank you for your love. Please supporting us. Friends, please. Friends, you know what is this? Yes, Charkha, used by Mahatma Gandhi ji. So friends, today we are going to make this Charkha. We need to make Charkha, wool, ice cream stick, glue stick, match stick, and a mask bangle, scissor. We cut a circle like this. We take an ice cream stick and cut another ice cream stick and paste it. Now use glue only in the center of the circle and paste it. Like this. We are using matchstick. Use glue for pasting. Now we are using this thread and paste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am using some glue here and here. And we cut extra part. Then we paste this. My चरखा is ready. आपको कैसा लगा? आप अपने घर पे ट्राई करना। आपने अगर मेरी पहले वाली पोयम वाली नहीं देखी तो आप उसको देखना और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक कर देना।